Today I will show you how to create hatched line effect in Illustrator. Follow these settings and create a new document. Now select line segment tool and hold shift and click anywhere. Now create a line of 1500 pixels. Align it like this and now make a copy of it by holding Alt key. Now select both of the lines and make their stroke 20 points. Now go to Object, Blend and Make. Double click on Blend tool, choose Specify Distance and put 20 value and hit OK. Now rotate the line, select the line, go to Object, Blend and expand the lines. After expanding lines, select Type tool and type whatever you want. Make sure you are using bold font for better effect. Center align the text and press Ctrl-Shift-O. Convert fill into stroke and give any color. Now select the lines, go to Edit and make a copy. Now select lines and text and then select Shape Builder tool and remove the outer lines by holding Alt key. Now remove the stroke and go to Edit and click on Paste in Place. Make the line stroke 4 points and make a rectangle like this. Select the lines and rectangle and then select Shape Builder tool and remove the outer lines. Now remove the rectangle and select both text and lines and rotate them like this. Select the lines, right click, go to Arrange and Send to Back. Now select the text, right click and ungroup it. One more time, right click, go to Transform and select Transform Each, and you can play with the values according to your design. Do the same thing with the lines. Now select both of them, go to Window and select Stroke. And make round join and round cap. Now select Direct Selection tool and select Align, and you can put the values according to your design. Now select Eyedropper tool, hold Alt key and click random lines like this. Do the same thing with the text. this is the method to create hatched line effect in Illustrator. Hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this.